Hello everyone, how are you? I'm アジボー。皆さんこんにちは、アジボーです。アジボーズ third dish this noon is the yesterday's leftovers and kimchi, Korean traditional pickles, and miso soup, instant miso soup. Main dish is boiled rice as usual. 今日の昼飯のおかずは昨日の残り物とキムチ、それからインスタント味噌スープです。How to make it? Heat the leftovers in the microwave range for about 3 minutes. Serve boiled rice in a bowl. Pour hot water in the small bowl to make instant miso soup. Put the leftover on the boiled rice. Then put kimchi on the boiled rice. That's it. Ajibo's lunch has been done. It's time to enjoy them. Bon appétit! いただきます。